The color gray means no trend. Stay out of the market. The price action will probably be chop and not worth the risk to reward. The candle color is green, so we are looking for a long position. A green buy signal appears, so we buy and enter long. I like to put my take profit targets at or before a whole number. For this demonstration, I will put my take profit target at 20,200. Just in case you are wrong, you want to watch the price of the candle. If the candle closes below the green cloud, you close the trade. The price can dip below the cloud but can't close below it. You can also take profit when the candles turn yellow, indicating price has become overbought. I will sometimes wait for the second yellow candle and close my trade. These trades are taken during the times of high volume, usually between 9:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. You can take the trades anytime, but risk of price not moving a lot is higher. Usually the bars will be gray, so you just have to listen to bully bears indicator. Another green buy signal appears. You can enter again or wait cause you are already in. It is your choice. Green signals are only permanent when the candle closes. You can keep getting new signals until it closes. It is your choice if you want to enter early cause you are confident or wait for more confirmation. Oh no, candle closed below the green cloud. I am showing you this so you understand when to close the trade if you are wrong. Most of the time it will be a win, but you need to learn about losses. Oh look, the candle turned from red to green. A buy signal appears and we enter long. Placing take profit at the whole number again. Boom, winner winner chicken dinner.